Hello and welcome to my channel. I am your host Mohsin Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. The highly anticipated debate between the Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, scheduled for September 10, makes supporter movements in the presidential campaign. The 90 minutes prime time event, moderated by David Muir and Leslie Davis, will be held at the Pennsylvania Convention Center in the Philadelphia and broadcast live on ABC News Live, and various streaming platforms. The wait is over. The debate significance and amplified by the extraordinary events of the recent weeks, including President Biden's withdrawal from the race and the attempt assassinations of Mr. Trump. These developments have has refused attention of the elections, making this debate a critical opportunity for the voters to assess the candidates' leadership, styles, policies, positions, and visions of American future. The June debate, which drew a massive audience over 51 million viewers, had for reaching consequence. Mr. Biden's performance was widely criticized recently, leading to a crisis of confidence among the Democrats. They ultimately resulted in the withdrawal. Yeah, this upcoming debate has a potential to attract an even larger audience as voters seek deeper understanding of the candidates' policies and who the Mr. Trump has agreed to participate in the additional debate on NBC News and Fox News. But the Harris campaign has not confirmed participations. This uncertainty adds an extra layer to integrate to the September 10 debates, as voters wonder if Harris will engage in further debates. Ms. Harris expressed for the debate, saying, "I am looking forward to it. Hope he shows up." Her caution's approach to additional debates suggests a strategic focus on September 10 event. The debate was negotiated by ABC's executive editorial producers and Washington bureau chief Rick Kellen, and collaborations with campaign detectives. Brian Fallon, a senior advisor of a communications, played a key role in the shaping of the debate's format and terms. This debate will be a defining movement in the campaign, offering voters a unique opportunity to evaluate the candidate visions, leadership, and policies. The impact of the debates will be felt throughout the final strand of the America, making it a crucial event in American politics. The debates format will feature opening statement followed by the mod. Let's talk about the conditions. The candidates will have only 2 minutes. Opening statements followed by the 6 rounds. Moderated discussions with 15 segments dedicated each topic. Okay. The Pennsylvania Convention Center, a venue of a seating capacity over 10,000, will host the debate. The event will be ticketed with the priority access given to the campaign supporters, local officials, and members of the media. Security will be tight because the recent attack on Donald Trump. That's why the security is very tight, with secret services agents and local law enforcement present to ensure a safe and secure environment. The moderators, David Muir and Leslie Davis, will play a crucial role in the shaping the. Now we are talking about the moderators like David Muir and Leslie Davis will play a crucial role in shaping the debate's tone and directions. Muir, a very professional journalist and anchor on ABC World News Tonight, will bring a wealth of experiences in covering presidential campaigns. Davis on ABC News and anchor of Weekend World News Tonight will provide a sharp and incisive perspective on the issue. The candidate will be seated at a podium with a timer visible to ensure adhere to the debates format, and the audience will be asked to FM from Apollo to cheering along the candidates to focus on presenting their positions in the days leading up to the debates. Both campaigns will engaged in intense preparations. Harris will likely focus on her message on key issues like healthcare, economic issues, while Trump will aim to capitalize on his strength in areas like national security and immigrations. On the day of the debate, the candidate will participate in a final walkthrough of the venue, familiarizations themselves with the sitting and podiums. They will also engage the last minute preparations with their teams, reviewing key points and anticipating the potential questions and the Thanks for watching us. I am your host Mohsin Ali. We will meet again in the next vlog with some important news. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.